Prime Minister Matekane, ministers, high commissioners, colleagues, on behalf of President Lamola, President of the Republic of South Africa, I now read his prepared. We have come to the end of the second session of the Binational Commission. The spirit of friendship, cooperation and solidarity that underpins our very close relations has been given renewed impetus. You will agree with me, Your Excellency, that the future of our collaboration is bright and the people of South Africa and Lesotho will continue to enjoy the fruits of our labor for generations to come. I wish to commend His Majesty King Metsi III for his judicious reign over this great kingdom. May his wisdom and guidance continue to advance the fortunes of this nation. As South Africa, we stand side by side with you as we seek to develop our countries further. In South Africa, you have a trusted, a reliable, and a committed partner. Our discussions today underscored the need to accelerate the implementation of decisions, projects, and programs arising out of the Binational Commission. Although we are making strides, more work still needs to be done to reach the desired outcomes. South Africa and Lesotho have the opportunity for closer collaboration in many areas. Apart from greater private sector collaboration, we should give attention to infrastructure development, energy and food security, bilateral and regional value chains, and greater trade. While other countries are creating barriers, including imposing tariffs, it is incumbent on our two countries to promote trade relations that reflect our common interests. We will work closely with our partners and neighbors in SADC and throughout the continent for the Africa Continental Free Trade Area to succeed. The BNC will remain seized with matters pertaining to such issues as immigration, security, capacity building, and the well-being of our peoples. South Africa and Lesotho remain significant partners. Our common interests, historical links, and shared heritage forged through many years remains very strong. Our two countries will continue to play constructive roles in SADC, on the African continent, and globally in our collective desire for a peaceful and a prosperous world. Your Excellency, I once more again reiterate our sincere gratitude and appreciation for our pleasant stay in Metsi, for your hospitality and for the friendship that continues to underpin bilateral relations between our two countries. I look forward to receiving you in South Africa for the third session of the Binational Commission. I thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, President Ramaphosa, both Honorable Minister Lamola. It is now my distinct honor to invite the Right Honorable Samuel Matekane, the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Lesotho, to deliver his closing remarks. And after that, as I said, to give the anthems.
Thank you very much, PS. Your Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa, our co-chair, ladies and gentlemen, I feel deeply honored and privileged to address this August gathering as I deliver closing remarks that mark the official closure of the second session of the Binational Commission between our two friendly countries. I wish to express my profound appreciation and gratitude to our ministers, Chief of Clusters, and senior government officials for their exceptional effort and dedication in ensuring that this session of the BNC indeed materializes. The BNC, which is a pillar of bilateral relations, and cooperation between our two countries has today provided a platform for us to deliberate on the key areas of cooperation and the implementing structures that are required to achieve tangible and concrete results. During our session today, we have reaffirmed our shared vision for enhanced economic cooperation, sustainable development, including peace and security. Our discussion has been both candid and constructive. We appreciate the spirit of warm cooperation and comradeship. We have identified key areas of cooperation, addressed shared challenges, and mapped out actionable strategies that will guide our bilateral relations, from cross-border trade, infrastructure development, to cooperation in water, from human development initiatives to migration-related matters. The outcome of this session demonstrates a gesture of strong partnership grounded in mutual respect and shared vision. Mr. President and Co-Chair, I wish to thank you for your leadership and guidance. Let me reaffirm that South Africa remains an indispensable partner and neighbor. South Africa is not going anywhere. South Africa will It is therefore only natural that our bond of friendship have to be nurtured. These principles of good neighborliness and peace have been passed to us by our forebears and will continue to be respected. The second session of the BNC is officially closed. I thank you.
Now